Don't take no chances. Fill up all the blanks with lemon sprinkled ice. Please don't ask me twice. Rhythm got me bouncing. Bottles got me crashing. Don't you know?
Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Today we are going to be cleaning and organizing together while being kind to ourselves. So I literally just have 3 things on my to-do list. I have 1 time-consuming task and then 2 smaller tasks. So if you have a to-do list, let's get it done together. Today, as you can see, the corners of my carpets are folded, so I wanted to get that taken care of. I want to clean and organize my spice cabinet, and I also want to try the pink stuff on my caraway pots to clean them. So for 2023, I really just want to be kinder to myself. I don't know about you guys, but as a stay-at-home mom, my only breaks are on Saturday and Sunday, because my husband has a traditional 9 to 5 Monday through Friday job, and I find myself just like squeezing every possible thing that I need to do and want to do in those 2 days, including working here on YouTube. So I just want to be kinder to myself, and I want to go day by day. So today I really narrowed 3 things down that I knew I could do and I knew wouldn't take up my whole entire day, so I still get that break, because again, Saturday and Sundays are my only breaks. So who wants to spend their only breaks cleaning and doing unnecessary tasks and just things that can be put on hold? So like I said, I'm going to be fixing my carpet corners. This is a smaller task. And then I'm also going to be doing a larger task, which is cleaning and organizing my spice cabinet. That's going to be super satisfying. But yeah, the point of today's video is to just tackle some to-do things from your list with me, and also be easy on yourself enough so that you have some time to relax after. So if you have some things to get done, even if it's as simple as fixing your carpet corners that have been bothering you for way too long, let's get it done together. So then I sandwiched this bigger task in between the 2 smaller tasks. The first one was to really just get me motivated. It's something small that has been bothering me again for so long. Those corners have been folded for so long, and it's just one of those things that I've procrastinated on for so long. It's been bothering me for a really long time, and I just have yet to find carpet corners that work for carpet on carpet and order them and just get it done, basically. So I got that done, and it motivated me enough to jump over to my spice cabinet, which again is something that I've been wanting to get done. Everything that I'm doing in today's videos is things that are not like necessary, like cleaning the whole house because the house is a mess, but it's little things that have been bothering me throughout the whole 2022 that I did not tackle at all. So I'm going ahead and starting my year off with doing things that just bring me satisfaction, like going into my bedroom and not seeing folded carpet corners, or opening my spice cabinet and seeing it nice and clean and organized, and cleaning my caraway pots that been needing a clean for a long time, but that ended up being a huge fail. But anyways, so I'm just cleaning this spice cabinet. It's crazy to believe we only been here for a little over a year, I would say, and this is the state of my cabinet. So it goes to state on how quickly messes can build up. So getting it all cleaned up is just so satisfying for me, because I open this quite a lot. I cook a lot. I've been meal prepping a lot, which, by the way, I've been sharing a lot of meals on Instagram, and you guys keep DMing me saying that you want me to start sharing recipes again on my channel. I tried doing meal preps with me on here, and they didn't do too well. That's why I kind of shied away from it, but maybe I'll integrate it more into my cleaning videos. But yeah, so these spice jars are actually from the Target dollar spot. If you know, but then you know, if you shop at the dollar spot, how long ago these were out, and I've literally had them inside of my cabinet along with the spice labels that I order from Amazon for so long, almost the entire 2022. And again, it's just something else that I procrastinated on, and I just getting it done today feels so good. Cooking after my spice cabinet is organized felt so good. So yeah, if you have anything like this to do that you've just been putting off and it's gonna bring you happiness and joy and satisfaction, then let's get it done together.
How did you get so fly? You got me like my. You got me like my.
as I'm getting this done, go ahead and let me know in the comments what are you doing while watching this, and I'm gonna be chatting with you guys a bit. You guys know I love to chat. If you're the type of person that just likes the music and cleaning in the background, then this is definitely not the video for you. I am super chatty, ask any of my subscribers, but I thought I'll be chatting with you guys just about where I'm at, because you guys know what happened at the end of 22 and all that stuff. So we're doing a lot better. My husband is healing. If you don't know or you're new here, my husband was in the hospital starting on Thanksgiving Day, and then he was there for 8 days, and he had an emergency surgery, and he's been healing and stuff. So but he is doing a lot better. Again, he's back at work, and things are starting to go back to normal for us. Granted, after all that like hecticness that happened, I don't even know if hecticness is a word, but after all of that, I do need a substantial break, but we kind of just went back to our normal lives. He went back to work. I went back to, being a stay-at-home mom. So I still need a break, but I did want to update you guys because I've been open about like what the change is like being a stay-at-home mom and not having breaks and not having any time to yourself. So I did want to update you guys. I'm super proud of myself, and I hope this motivates you guys. But so basically, we have not taken a vacation since we got married. We got married in 2020, the beginning of 2020. So it's been 3 years, you guys. And the last vacation we took was our honeymoon, and it's just something that we procrastinated on. We're just at a point where finances are, I wouldn't say extremely tight, because I know there's people out there that have it even worse. But ever since I became a stay-at-home mom, if you guys don't know, I was a assistant manager in Walgreens, and that was a substantial amount of our income together. I mean, since then my husband has gotten raises and stuff, but there's just always things that we need to do more than take a vacation. Like, we need new cars. We still have a 2013 and '04. I thank God for giving them a life expectancy beyond what we expected, but that's something that we want to do. We do have some credit card debt, not a lot, but there's just always something more that we feel is more important than taking vacations. Well, at least for the past 3 years. But after he got out of the hospital, our minds really just shifted, and we can't just work without any breaks. And you guys don't know how many vacations we planned and then just ended up saying, no, never mind, because, we need to do this, or we need to pay this, or it would be better off using this to do this in the house, or something of that sort. But we just booked our first vacation in 3 years, and I am so excited. Another thing that I also did was I finally signed up for therapy for with BetterHelp. That's another thing that you guys know, my struggles with anxiety and postpartum and depression and all that stuff that I deal with from time to time, and BetterHelp is something that I signed up for multiple times. I keep getting matched to a therapist, and and this is not sponsored, by the way, if that's where you think that I'm going. It's not. I did reach out to them, but they didn't reach out back to me, so I guess I'm not big enough yet. But yeah, I did sign up 3 times. I kept getting matched to a therapist, and then I would just I would look at the total price, and I'll be like, okay, I can't spend this money on this. We need to do this. Again, it's just one of those things that it's good for your mental health to do, but I don't know, these past 3 years, I've just been kind of putting my mental health on the back burner and taking care of other things. I don't know why it took me, or it took my husband to be in the hospital, and the way the 2022 ended for me to be like, okay, no, a vacation, although it's a lot of money and it could be better used with paying off a bill or getting a new car or whatever the case may be, my mental health, our mental health as a family is more important than that. If we're not okay, then who cares if we have new cars? Who cares if we have all the nice things and our bills and debt paid off? You need to take care of your mental health primarily. And so with that being said, I'm so proud of myself for investing in myself, proud of me and my husband, because this was really both of us. So I am so proud of our progress in 2023 already. We booked a vacation to get a break from just working and working and working, like just being on the move for 3 years straight, and as well as therapy. So this is your sign. If there's something that you've been procrastinating that's going to help you mentally, do it. Okay, so now over to my caraway pots. The spice cabinet did take up a large portion of my day, so this was super easy. I tried it on one of my pots. So if I originally seen this on Denise's page, if you guys watch her, she's a YouTuber, but basically I did a partnership with Caraway. A lot of us have been doing partnerships with Caraway, and I kind of stopped talking about them a lot because I was having these burn problems on the bottom of my pots, specifically this one that I use every single day, and I could not figure out how to clean it, so I left it like that for months on end, and it's pretty burned on now. But I watched on Denise's channel, she just got her caraway pots. I've got mine like a long time ago, and she showed herself cleaning her pots that look just like this with the pink stuff and a scrub daddy, and brand new. They came out brand new, but she was doing it kind of like maintenance. This that I know I'm using an abrasive scrubber, but I only used it on the metal part. Do not use this on the actual like color coated part, because I do believe it will scratch off the color. And I do know that the light color has this problem with the burn marks the most, but yeah, it was only coming off for me with the abrasive scrubber, so I only did the metal part. But I do believe if you get your caraway pots, or you just got your caraway pots and you haven't left your caraway pots with these burn marks for so long, and you kind of do it like with maintenance just like Denise did, the pink stuff would work perfect, and you'll never have to worry about your caraway pots looking like mine does. But it did do a pretty good job on the metal portion with the abrasive sponge for me, whatever you call this metal thing. But you definitely can't use that on the whole entire pot, so I kind of just gave up. The other pots are fine. It's literally just this one that I use every single day. So yeah, if you have caraway pots, you just got them, or you're thinking of getting them, the pink stuff will definitely work. I do believe it would definitely work if you use it on a maintenance basis. Like as soon as you see the scratch, as soon as you see the burn marks, go ahead and try the pink stuff on it with a scrub daddy, not this metal one, and it should work for you. I will try to link Denise's YouTube profile down below in case or the video that she did it on, in case you want to see. But as soon as I seen that on her page, I was like, I have to try that on my caraway pots to get them back to normal. But so far I only got it done on this one and on the metal part only, but still something checked off my list and was still satisfying. So yeah, I still love my caraway cookware set. It's by far the best that I've ever owned and the easiest to cook with. The nonstick is amazing. And it's just, I have like a flat cooktop, the electric stove, and when things spill over from the pans, like if I'm boiling or if I'm cooking and things spill over, it tends to puddle at the bottom, causing these burn marks. So that's the only downside. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's short but hopefully motivational video. I hope that it motivated you to get some things done, big and small, on your to-do list without being too hard on yourself. And I hope that you had time to relax after, like I did. And I also hope that my little story about finally booking a vacation after so long and signing up for therapy also motivated you to take care of your mental health if need be. So I'll see you guys in my next one, God willing, as always.
You know it can be frustrating. Now that couldn't be the two of us, and it kind of feels like wasting something that was good right from the start.